Hi, I'm Shriman, co-founder of Sennu AI. We built an AI QA engineer for Salesforce. With our product, you can cut down your Salesforce testing time to just minutes. Let me show you how it works. We connect directly to your Jira or any other PM tool you use. Here, we have an example user story with the description and requirements. You can simply move this to the Ready for Testing column, and our AI QA engineer will generate all test scenarios for you. Great, so let's refresh the page. And the ticket's been moved to QA testing. So now you can see that we have generated 13 test scenarios based on the requirements in this ticket. And now we can simply review these test scenarios, make sure that everything is accurate. And if you want, you can even add your own test scenarios into this comment. Once everything looks good, you just give it a thumbs up and our automation will kick off. It's been 15 minutes and all the tests have finished executing, and here are what the results look like. So we have a summary of the test results where we have 12 tests that passed and then 1 test that failed. And because of that failing test, we now know there's a bug in the implementation of this user story. And for each test scenario, we have a recording that we can view here of how the AI QA engineer actually works. So right now, just exactly how a QA engineer goes into the Salesforce sandbox environment and just performs the test scenario, our AI QA engineer does the exact same thing. So you can see it just logged in right here. And eventually it will create the record and then verify what the lead owner is. In this case, make sure it's the right queue. The benefit of using this AI QA approach is there's no more need for any Selenium code, there's no need to set up any no-code tools, and there's definitely no need for any manual testing. There's just no setup at all, actually. You just give a user story, and the AI QA engineer will execute any test scenarios based on that. And for full details on all the steps done, and for test coverage statistics, and for any more information, you can go to this link right here for each test where the full details will be shown. And the cool thing about our platform here is that for every single test that you actually create using this method, we actually save it for regression testing. So in the future, you can run this without having to write any regression tests of your own. If you want to cut down your Salesforce testing time from hours to just minutes using this approach, book a demo by going to sennu.ai, sennu.ai. Thanks, and hope you have a bug-free Salesforce day.